Right now I want to show you the Where To function on the Garmin nuvi 30, 40 and 50 series of automotive GPS. Here it is here, the Where To function, the big magnifying glass. What this allows you to do is find points of interest or points on the map that you can either route to or just view on the map and find out a bit of information. So there's a few different ways you can do this. One, type in an address. Well, first, I'm already in Nevada. That's where it knows I am due to the GPS. Maybe you want to change that state. You can change the state or country even. And then you can spell city, postal code, or search all. Let's start with spelling city. There it is, Las Vegas. As soon as it finds a match, it jumps in. 3770. Done. Now, we want to do it on Las Vegas Boulevard. Okay, that's all I want to type. There we go. There's the options I have. It tells me a few different ways to get around. Well, I actually want to look on the strip. So all these are showing to me the same. So let's just pick one. And there it is. There's the address I want to go to. I can either hit save and put it in my favorites or hit go and it'll start routing me right there. Then I even have the back button, which if you want to, you can go back 1, 2 and go, oh, it wasn't on the strip. It was actually Las Vegas Boulevard. I want to go to here. And then you can recalculate the same information in a different way. So now this is north and south of Las Vegas Boulevard. So you keep your finger on that. It takes you all the way back and I can go to Where To. Second is my Go Home function. Here I can either enter my address, use my current location, or a recently found point. I'm going to just use my current location. So now my Go Home is set. If I hit it, it instantly goes to that point and starts calculating. Because this point is exactly where I am, it's routed myself back to where I am, and this is back where it is. So great way to use this is either for your, obviously for your home address. If someone's borrowing your car and you say, hey, come back, I'll have family come over from Australia, and always have the home button set to going back to where I want them to be. The other way to use it is maybe set your car rental place up at a airport. So you can always get straight back there just before you grab your aeroplane flying out of the place you've been to. Points of interest. These are the options and categories you can use to find a point of interest. You can just go straight in and spell the name of a point of interest. Starbucks. Now it's going to quickly look around near me. And there's all the Starbucks. And you can show the red is matching what I typed. And then it's completed the words. So there's all the Starbucks near me. So that's one way to do it. Food and drink, I can go through and choose through these categories here and find a place which will sell food and drink. Fuel, it just goes straight to and shows me my nearest fuel stations listed in order of proximity. So this is also can be found in another way. If you go to the map, view map, hit on you and just hit fuel, which is the where am I function, gives me the same list. So that's another way to do the same thing. Points of interest, we're still here. You've got fuel, transit, which is obviously airports and different things like that. Lodging, all these are pretty obvious. Shopping, these are the different categories you get to choose from. And then ATM, parking, entertainment, and then recreation, which as you can tell, golf courses and different parks. Attractions. So these are all great things you can do if you go to a city and you want to look around a bit and find some different things. Hospitals, jump straight to the local nearest hospitals. Then community things. And then auto services. So lastly there as well. So that's the point of interest categories you can jump through. Recent finds are all the points you found recently with your GPS. Favorites is your list of favorites that I've talked about in a different video. Intersections here, you can spell a city, Las Vegas, and then you can enter street 1, street 2, and it will put you straight there at that intersection. So that's a good way to find a place if you know the intersection for it. Extras, something you've got to download from Garmin's website where you can grab a few extra points. Cities, you can just go to a city. These are the local cities near me. You can just browse the map. So you can do this by either hitting that button, or you can actually just go to the map itself. And when you hit outside on the map here, it gives you the same functionality. Now you can slide around, click a point, save it, go to it, and that's how you can do a point of interest that way. And then you've got coordinates. Here you can just type in a coordinate, and then once done, you can hit next, change the format of the coordinates, and once you hit next, it'll show that coordinate on the map, and you can save it and go to it that way. So that's how you use the Where To function on the Garmin nuvi 30, 40 and 50 series of automotive GPS.